Cement, aggregates, concrete. That's Holcim. Wherever buildings are built, we're on hand with our know-how. We are reliable, keep our promises, and offer stability and certainty for your project. We're represented throughout Switzerland. We think in terms of networks and find the correct solution for every need, because every building site is different. NIAT, the new Transalpine rail link, is the first level rail route through the Alps. In this project of the century, the Ceneri Base Tunnel serves as the southern feeder for the Gotthard Tunnel. In the heart of the mountain, a plant has been built that can produce all the concrete needed.
As this involves an extremely large project spanning a long time period, it is very important to have a partner who not only delivers the raw materials, but also supports us in resolving problems. The spatial conditions for underground work demand particularly careful planning, both in terms of logistics and placement of equipment.
Holcim planned, built and transported an on-site concrete plant within a period of just 10 months, resolving a number of bottlenecks. It's rare for an on-site concrete plant of this size to be found underground, not least because assembly is expensive and very demanding. But thanks to our experience and proven collaboration with our suppliers, the tight tolerances for assembly could be maintained to the nearest centimeter. Despite the tight spaces, safety is given top priority. The safety of every employee has the highest priority, independent of the project, and is already included during the planning for a plant of this kind.
Holcim has outstanding know-how in engineering. To date, Holcim has built, supervised and managed more than 40 plants in Switzerland. The company also has extensive international contacts with plants throughout the world.
To ensure production at all times, the on-site concrete plants are equipped with 2 independent mixers operated from 2 separate control units. In the event of a mixer interruption, capacity of 80 cubic meters of concrete per hour is still guaranteed. An additional challenge is the development of the optimum concrete mix for the various building elements. Ultimately, the construction has to withstand static loads, moisture, and the elevated mountain temperatures for decades.
It is very important in a project of this kind to have partners with outstanding continuity and performance over the long term. In this regard, adherence to delivery schedules, cost control, and long-term guarantees of first-class quality are particularly important.
A laboratory regularly tests the fresh concrete for the desired properties in accordance with stringent requirements. Compressibility, workability, and durability must be fully documented in accordance with a special testing program. 8 types of high-quality aggregates are used for the different mixes and delivered exclusively by rail. This protects the environment, reduces the risk of accidents, and is easy to plan. A sophisticated logistics concept makes sure that the right material is available at the right place at any time. In addition, suitable excavated material is prepared on-site and likewise used in concrete production. Cement is also delivered by rail. Our on-site specialists use the extensive Holcim product range to quickly react to changing circumstances and match the basic mixes developed in the laboratory. We call this Holcim flexibility in obtaining the highest possible quality.
Even when international know-how is brought together in a project of this kind, installation still takes place on site. It is thus very important that our partner is based locally and collaborates with large key partners in order to be able to react quickly when needed.
Holcim is also in a position to install concrete plants under the most unusual conditions and operate them efficiently. Over 1 million cubic meters of concrete will be produced here in the coming years. Concrete made from the best raw materials that we bring to the building site reliably, on time, and always in sufficient quantities. Because we possess the size and knowledge that allows you to keep your budget and schedule under control at all times. It is your guarantee that demanding building projects such as the Ceneri Base Tunnel will be successfully realized. Holcim. Strength, performance, passion.